Mary Jung talks about a young lawyer, Anil Kapoor, who had a sister Khushbu, and their parents, especially father, was falsely accused of a crime he didn't commit. And Nutan was the wife, and she pleaded in front of Amrish Puri, who was a very renowned lawyer, but he was the one instrumental in getting her hubby imprisoned, Girish Kannad. And then the real battle happens because she lost her mental composure. She couldn't digest the fact that her hubby is falsely accused and imprisoned and finally sentenced to death. She pleaded, but her pleas were unheard. And these kids grew up to be like orphan because mother was in mental asylum. And Nutan always thought that the kids are still young, still small, because she had lost her memory as well. So when Khushbu and Anil Kapoor they visited her in the mental asylum, she dated back to 20 years. Like she went back to almost 15-18 years back, and she recited the entire story that my kids must be hungry, my girl must be wanting me to actually come and comfort her, even my son, both of them are alone in the house, and etc., etc. And these two kids kept on weeping because they couldn't see their mother's plight. And then there is a famous song in this movie which was sung again and again. When they were kids also, mom used to sing, parents, especially mom like Nutan. And then when she was brought home by the children, the same song was sung by these two kids, and she kind of started getting a memory back. Finally she got a memory back and she recognized the children, and everything was hunky-dory except the fact that the father was no more. And on the other hand, there is Javed Jafri, who has enacted the role of a notorious man who always used to actually go after girls. And there was already, he had a girlfriend, but still he was after Khushbu just because he wanted to take revenge from Anil Kapoor. Because one incident they have shown that Anil Kapoor is dining with Meenakshi Seshadri, who is supposedly his girlfriend, and Javed was with a gang of friends, and he passed comments and all, and he was misbehaving, because of which Anil picked a fight with him, altercation, and this grudge was there in him, and that is the reason why he was very good to Khushbu, and he showed that he is a genuine person, and she fell for him. Later on she came to know, the secret was unearthed about his loose character, because the previous girlfriend told Khushbu about him. So she retreated her steps, but already he had done a lot of damage as well. So the movie basically revolves around punishing Amrish for his deeds and getting Javed Jafri also to his terms, because he had done a lot of damage as well. And the family was reunited, and Meenakshi was married to Anil. It's a good movie. It can inspire you as well because of the song. And bottom line, whatever happens in the path of life, if unity is there, everything falls in place. The unity of children with their mom brought the family together again. 4.5 to 5 stars.